How to draft a job offer letter. HR offer letter date. 2. Attention, address, postal code, country. Subject, HR offer letter. To whom it may concern. Dear Mr., Mrs. Following our recent discussions, we are delighted to offer you the position of position title with our organization. Our organization is describing key highlights about your organization. If you join our organization, you will become part of a fast-paced and dedicated team that works together to provide our clients with the highest possible level of service and advice. As a member of our organization team, we would ask for your commitment to deliver outstanding quality and results that exceed client expectations. In addition, we expect your personal accountability in all the products, actions, advice and results that you provide as a representative of our organization. In return, we are committed to providing you with every opportunity to learn, grow and stretch to the highest level of your ability and potential. We are confident you will find this new opportunity both challenging and rewarding. The following points outline the terms and conditions we are proposing. Title, position title, job description, start date, salary, amount per year, probation. Describe your organization's probationary policy. Group benefits. Succinctly describe your organization's group benefits plan, including when the new employee will be eligible. Hours of work. Describe the hours of work per week this position requires reporting relationship. Identify the position that this position will report to. Vacation. Explain your organization's vacation policy, including how many days, how they are accumulated, etc. Following the initial probationary period, a progression and performance review will be conducted on a quarterly basis to assess performance to date, and to clarify or modify this arrangement, as the need may arise. This arrangement may be terminated by either party upon notice in writing to either party with notice that complies with employment standards, or labor standards, for your province. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you in an atmosphere that is successful and mutually challenging and rewarding. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. I will be available on phone, number, and email @email.com, in case of any query. Looking forward to your reply. Yours sincerely, name, signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download this template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com